How to set up your first classroom in ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are logged in, you will see the plus add class option on your home screen. Tap on it to start setting up your first classroom. Next, enter your class name and select the grade level that you teach. This helps organize your classroom and ensures students are grouped correctly. You can also edit your class icon from the list of available icons to easily recognize it later. After entering all the details, tap on Create Class. Once your class is created, you will be taken to Manage Student section where you can search for and add student. You can also generate a class code or QR code so students can join quickly. After adding students, tap on Invite Families to connect parent. This allows them to stay updated on their child's progress, behavior, and classroom activities in real time. In the classroom dashboard at the bottom of the screen, you will find useful tools like attendance, class report, timer, group maker, ideas, and more. You can also manage behavior points according to your classroom needs. Tap on the story button if you want to post class update, photos, or announcement. From the plus button, you can quickly add activities or share update. You can also start a conversation by tapping the chat button to communicate with students or parents directly. Now your classroom is ready to go. You can start awarding points, sharing class updates, and engaging with students and families right away. Now you know how to set up your first classroom in ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.